We grow 293 hectares of almonds, citrus and avocados for domestic and export markets under both organic and conventional production and have adopted IPM across most of the farms. This helps us manage pesticide resistance issues but also provides us with a much cleaner product. We also work very hard at improving our fertility of our soils by making sure that we return in as much organic matter that we can. Weed management and soil fertility are intertwined, and that's why we have incorporated Slasher, Organic Weedkiller, into our herbicide program. Slasher leaves no residue in the soil, and because it is a burnout herbicide, herbicide resistance is less of an issue in the long run. It is hoped that Slasher will help us reduce our reliance of other pesticides as the health and fertility of the soil returns.
Slasher is a carbon chain C9 plant-based organic herbicide. It's a non-synthetic, contact-only herbicide. It is fast-acting on weeds, especially the broadleaves. Slasher acts by penetrating the cells and disrupting their membranes. Slasher is beneficial to soil health. It promotes preservation and building of beneficial soil microbe levels. It is short-lived in soil with a half-life of less than 1 day.